Yay!
Also, there's Tsunami Defense. But yeah, so Rafa,
Hi, my name is Hannah. This class was really great, and it was a very comfortable and safe environment that I felt comfortable actually acting out the moves, and now I feel more confident and using that because I was able to actually act them out in this safe environment.
Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you.
Great job.
It was great having Tsunami Self-Defense teach us classes today. They showed us very realistic real-life situations and how to get out of them, which makes me feel safer going out.
Hi, my name is Billy. I took this class and I really liked how they talked about sexual assault very openly, because most of the women that I know have been sexually assaulted in the past, even me, and usually it happens at a really young age, so it's really important to acknowledge that and talk about it, because keeping silent has never really helped anyone. So,
Thank you.
I'm so thankful for Tsunami Self-Defense coming today to our school and stuff. I definitely feel like a lot safer going out, and like just knowing I have that extra protection and protect myself going out there.
Awesome job.